All right, friends, how are you today? Aaron here bringing you your daily horoscope for the 18th of September 2019. We've got a grand Earth trine. Grand Earth trine, okay? We've got Saturn going direct today. We've got the moon down there in Taurus, okay? Just past up Uranus. We've got the sun and Mars over there in Virgo, okay? So moon over here in Taurus, Mars and the sun over here in Virgo, and then we've got Saturn up there and Pluto in Capricorn. All right, let me show you the chart because we've got all kinds of stuff. We have a lot of quintiles today, still that creative, very creative, underlining creative energy, as well as the sextiles. Okay, the sextiles, there's like super creative energy. All right, the water and earth, water and earth, water and earth. This is a lot of magic. This is a lot of fate. Okay, fated things are happening on this day, and again we have one here as well with Venus and Jupiter. These are just really beautiful connections, okay? But this grand Earth trine, okay, the moon here, stable Taurus, okay, exalted in Taurus because we're grounded, okay, we're in the midst of great change, okay, we're able to stay grounded in the midst of great change, knowing that we have to create change within our lives. Change is in the sights, it's in the focus, okay? And it's up to us right now with that, that Virgo laser-like energy to focus on exactly what needs to be changed so we can add structure to it, okay? And then we can transform. That's what these two are all about. And as well as it's a release, it's a let go. Saturn just crossed the south node for the third and final time. It'll never happen again here in its home sign of Capricorn. So Saturn stationing direct, this grand Earth trine. Let's make sense of all this. What can we say? Again, an isosceles triangle. This is the strongest structure known to man. Okay. So when we see this grand Earth trine, we know that this is a sound structure. We're creating something that's like a foolproof trap. Nothing's getting in, nothing's getting out. We have our sights set for focus. We know exactly what it is that we need, what we want, right? We have this beautiful connection of Venus and Jupiter up there, again, expanding our love. So we have other people that are able to help us out. So we don't want to be so closed off and guarded in our view on a day like today. We still want to maintain to be open, even though we know what the changes that we need. There's going to be other people that are there to offer assistance and light and love that are going to help guide us and shine some light on that path. Now, Saturn retrograde, home in Capricorn. A good way to look at this is like coming home from vacation, okay? You've come home from vacation. You know right off the gate you've got a bag full of dirty laundry, most likely, that you have to put away, all right? There's some trinkets and things you've bought along the way, maybe some receipts. There's all of these, there's things that you have to do as soon as you get in. What do you want to do? Put your bags down and flop on the couch. That's what we want to do. But we have all of these chores, all of these things to do. So Saturn coming home is like coming home from vacation. Saturn's got lots of stuff to do, all right? And this retrograde, again, is like a review. Let's re-look at everything. So it's like Saturn came in, he's got his bags, all of this stuff, has all of these things to do, but notices, okay, this is the key, notices as he's coming in and putting away this, that, and the other, taking care of the, putting away the paperwork, putting away these things, putting the laundry downstairs, whatever it is, seeing all of the other things that need to be tidied up, all of the other things that need to be done around the house, all of the other, there's some cobwebs over here, there's this piece of molding is cracked, we can see all of the other things in our life, in our lives, in our home, I'm using the house as a reference for our lives, okay, of things that we need to change. We need to change our, how we discipline ourselves, our own structure. Again, how we're tidying up or what we're tidying up, what we're focusing our attention on, our presence, where are we putting our attention to? So it's like this retrograde cycle has been like, all right, Saturn's doing all of these things and it's been seeing what needs to be done but unable to take care of it. Why? Because it has to put the vacation away first. Now the vacation is over. All the vacation stuff's put away. Now we can set our sights on exactly what needs to be done to create the great change in our lives that's going to take us and propel us to the next place in life. All right, so we're literally like we're creating the next plateau. We're creating this next step right now, which is very, very exciting. And we have all of this creative energy. We have, like, again, the moon and Taurus, like, whatever it is, whatever comes my way, I can get it done. The sun over there in Virgo, Mars in Virgo, is just like, let's put in the work. Let's, we're not holding back. We're putting ourselves out there. Let's get this done. And then it's just like, okay, what are we getting done? We're getting done a release, letting go of some of the old, all right? We're seeing exactly what needs to happen in our lives. We're seeing, okay, if I want to do this, what steps do I need to take to get there? All right? And again, it's a beautiful trine, beautiful earth trine. And then further, okay, we have a sextile from, this one is Pluto over here to Neptune, okay? We're changing our life. We're changing our lives for the better. Then we've got from Neptune, our dreams, expanding, the thoughts and ideas down here to the moon. Okay, this is what we need. This is our emotions, and our emotions are stable. All right? We don't need to be frantic. And then look, we've got the moon making this other sextile over here to the north node. These sextiles are very creative energy. This is an easy flow of two different signs coming together. And we've got water and earth here. Okay, so this is a very, very, we're getting in touch with our nurturing aspects of life. We're able to, be there, be nurturing for other people. And you see this quintile here to the sun, right? That's what this is all about. Taking our nurturing, our stable, nurturing characteristics and applying them to other people, applying them to how we can service others. And then with, our light, our love, our communication, everything being like highlighted here with Jupiter. This is just saying more and more and more and more and more and more. So it's like we're finally going in the right direction. It's like we see the path is lit. We're very excited. We should be very excited about life right now. We should be very falling in love with what's going on. It's like, the weather's starting to break. All this great change is coming our way. We should be more excited than we've ever felt in a long time. More focused, more grounded, more nurturing, more caring. Okay? Beautiful, beautiful day. Enjoy it. I got nothing there. Just enjoy this great day. Enjoy this creative energy. That's all I can say at the end here is enjoy this creative energy. All right? This is a good burst, good burst of creative energy. So don't let it go to waste. We'll see you tomorrow.